bikers at the Old Bay steamer. Well, no, I'm congratulating them. They prefer to park their own bikes, I take it. It's because they got valet parking, but they prefer to park their own bikes. Like, you ain't fucking touching my bike. Get your fucking hands off my bike, dude. I'll eat here, but you ain't gonna valet park my bike. Well, that's what they feel like. I mean, come on, man. You would have shut me down when I don't want to be shut down. Bye. They might be the Hells Angels, but my mom, well, actually my stepmom used to ride for the Hells Angels. Do you know that? My stepmom used to ride for the Hells Angels. Marie. Yeah, buddy. That would be Marie Rollins.
No, it's all done and shit.
She's Marie Stufflebeam now. And you know what? I'm kind of concerned of how she actually met my dad. Being as my dad is like just a backwoods hillbilly picking on the guitar and singing and stuff like that. Used to have his own band, but still. Of course, he never told me what that band was called, but still. I often wonder how, since she was a Hells Angels rider, how she met my dad. I don't know. Hello, everybody. This is Tammy Sue. Stuff will be Matt Birth. Royce by identification card only. Nestor.